Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sunny Enterprises. In this video, we will talk about using single pilot valve for the cartridge system. Direction control valve circuit, the control of 4 logic elements via single pilot valve. This gives us a direct comparison with the cylinder control and also an insight into the function of the relevant control edges. Before we examine the functions more closely, the following important points should be noted. The control of the number of logic elements by means of a single pilot valve appears much simpler as it contains fewer components, but a number of hidden problems arise. The circuit will only operate in practice with orifices in the control lines in order to make the switching sequence rather more definite. Optimizing the circuit on site is therefore very time consuming. In addition, the operation of the circuit is heavily dependent upon the viscosity. Using a single control in this manner is therefore not recommended, but as mentioned above, it uses far fewer components and is therefore used repeatedly. With pilot valve 5, in the start position shown, the pressure in the pump line red passes via the pilot valve and the control line yellow onto the large control areas AX of the logic element 1 to 4 operating in a closing direction. Pressure in the pump line is also simultaneously effective on the annular area AB of logic element 2 and 3. These forces P into AB operate in an opening direction. Annulus areas AB of valves 1 and 4 are connected to the tank and are therefore at zero pressure. If we then assume the cylinder is not subject to load, then the large forces on valve poppet 1 and 4 and in 3 and 1 to 4 are in a closing direction. Summarizing the forces on the valve poppets of the logic elements makes this decision clear. Logic element 2 and 3 prevent a connection from port A, B to A, and valves 1 and 4 prevent connection from A to B. Thus the lines in the cylinder green, the lines to the cylinder green, the pump red and the tank line blue are all isolated from each other. We have thus the same starting position as for the directional valve control shown in figure 1. If one compares this with the directional spool valve of the conventional circuit, then the blocked position between ports A and B of logic element 1 corresponds to the blocked condition between channels A and T in the direction spool sectional diagram. This comparison is also valid for the other paths within the valve P to A, P to B and B to T. We can thus use the logic elements effectively replacing the function of an individual control edge within the directional spool. This is Adnan Sunny from Sunny Enterprises, and this is our introduction, one of the application of the cartridge valves. Our WhatsApp number is 00923124225402 Global Eaton Hydraulic Helpline, always available for Eaton Hydraulic customers. Thank you. My name is Adnan Sunny from Sunny Enterprises, 411 Panorama Center, building number 2, Karachi, Pakistan. Our services are available 24/7, 365 days for Vickers and Eaton Hydraulic customers. Thank you.